Hello guys, here is a 9 volt rechargeable USB 9 volt battery. Here is the battery, the 9 volt battery. Here is the USB cable. I'm gonna see how the voltage on the battery is doing. Um 7.25 volts. So I would say this battery is mostly charged, so it could power up some things that you want it to power up. And you can charge it from this USB port right here and plug it into a wall outlet box. And you have a 9 volt battery that you can plug in to any of your things that need a 9 volt battery. Thank you guys for watching, and bye. Thank you for watching this video.